introduced me to her, so I think you're my friend now, and we're friends. This will be our moment to shine. So it's your 30th birthday. So what are your wishes? Plural today? What are your wishes? Gosh. Ikaw ano wish mo, girl?
Secret!
Oh, ako may secrets, wala nang program. Secret lang, ikaw lang nakakaalam. What are your wishes? Or your dreams? Or label? Ano ba mga dreams mo kung iyan? Dreams and drums.
And drumstick.
Ano yung mga wish mo?
My wish is...
Your command. Or my...
My wish is just simple, to have a peaceful and happy family.
Oh, diba?
Yeah.
I'm sure nakuha mo na yun, but your family, you know, they're here now with you. Nahihirap mag-English, ha? I'm so tired of speaking English. So pressure. Pressurized cooker. It's so pressurized cooker, but, you know, I have no choice but to speak English.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, what else? So, your friends are here, so I'm sure they want to say something, so we'll ask them one by one. One by one to do that. But you have to come here in front and say something, you know, in essay form.
You have to make like introduction, body, and conclusion.
Introduction. First, you don't nanay sa una. Parang dibo mo na lang to dito.
Okay. Because I didn't have a chance to have a debut.
Exactly.
Yes.
So this will be your debut. This is your debut. Diba? Oh, here's your question. If water is... if life is water, what is air? Answer that question. Answer the introduction. Okay, tawagin mo natin si Mama. Kasi nga, diba? Mama, Mother, come to baby.
Careful.
Palakpakan ko si Mama. Masaya siya kasi nandito yung anak ko. Namiss mo yung Mama na. Parang sabi mo sa kay Joyce. Don't cry like a diamond. Don't cry like a diamond. Sige na, Mami.
What will I say? She's a good girl.
Oh, kasi marami kami hindi alam, di ba? So, pwede mo bang ibunyak yung maybe you can tell us about all her secrets.
Secret. I just want to be my children all the time.
Wow, sweet.
Happy and contented in their life.
Wow.
Exactly.
And they're all welcome here in our house and
Si Mommy.
enjoy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Thank you, Mommy. Next, tawagin natin si Hervey. Wow!
Video. Video.
Video ha, kay YouTube ba yung ginisin mo ang account? Part ginisin mo yung Korea.
Instagram.
Cherry eyes.
Oh!
Wow! Turnover.
So, who's sexy? Yeah!
Shocking.
Fairness, oh my God!
Sexy.
I remember when I was, 25 years old. My body's just like that. Shines bright like a diamond. So, okay, let's be serious now. Okay.
Serious?
Serious.
Serious.
Very serious in the hospital. May tanong kami. Nung baby pa kayong dalawa, lagi pa kayo nag-aaway. You're always like fighting each other when you were kids. Tama niyo mga body language.
When we were kids, yes, but when we were babies, we're not fighting.
But you're close, right?
Yes, we're closer now.
Closer. Yeah, closer. Closer. Ano wish mo sa kanya?
Happy family life.
Happy birthday.
I wish her good health.
And right conduct.
Like feeling na nasa in front no. Okay.
Wait, Arnetta. Okay, next.
That's all.
Oh, wait.
Health, good health,
Hello?
happy family life
Hello?
with her.
Ilang taong ka na? How old?
I'm 27.
Oh my gosh, so